Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and today we're going to check and see what I got in my Macy's Beauty Box for May. If you are not familiar with the Macy's Beauty Box, it is a monthly subscription for $15 a month. It's going to include samples of items that you can get from the Macy's Beauty Department, which can include skincare, makeup, tools, and things like that. We will usually get a free surprise item as well as some perfume samples. If this is the kind of content that you enjoy and would like to see more of, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notifications bell so you don't miss out on future videos, and let's see what we got today. These are our sample items. We have our $5 off a $20 purchase coupon. Last month it was a $10 off $40, so that was kind of fun. This one is just $5, which is the normal $5 off a $20 purchase. And this is going to be our free surprise item. Let's check and see what that is. I'm going to throw the box on the floor. Oh, cool. Okay, so this is going to be an eye mask, a sleeping eye mask. This would be good if you need to block out light. I've actually got some sleeping eye masks that I tried to wear to sleep, but they come off in my sleep. I wonder if I put this on over it, if they would stay on the whole time and actually work better. So they come in a cute little satin bag. So that's a great little free item for our Made Macy's box. Now we can see what's inside our tissue paper. Woo, there's a lot of things in here. Our first item is a Bumble and Bumble Hairdresser Invisible Oil Mask. And I use Bumble and Bumble products. I have hairspray, I've got some different things, so I do like their products. This says it instantly infuses dry hair with moisture and nourishment. So this is one that you put on after shampooing. This is going to be a mask you leave on for 3 to 5 minutes. And there's probably enough in there for 2 or 3 uses to see if you like it, so that's fun. Our next item is called Confidence in a Gel Cream, and this is an oil control moisturizer. So there's enough in there for maybe a week or so. Or these, I always say these sizes are great to take when you're traveling. If you don't want to take your full-size items, take some of the samples. That way if they get broken or get messed up, it's not your full-size products and it's just a little sample and you can have your skincare on the road. Our next item is from Kapari, and this is Golden Aura Body Oil. It's actually got little gold specks inside of it. That's really pretty. I wonder if it's real gold. That would be cool. This says it is microsphere, hyaluronic acid, squalene, and 24 karat gold. So those are 24 karat gold, little specks of gold in there. That's kind of fun. I don't know if I've ever had a product that came with actual gold in it. Fun for that one. All right, our next one, and there's still more, you guys. There's a lot in here. The Lancome Absolute Cream Fondant. This is a soft cream, so this is going to be probably a moisturizer. It doesn't say, but I'm really sure this is going to be a moisturizer. But that's a Lancome Skin Cream. Our next product is from Strivectin, and I really actually like Strivectin. I have a cream I use currently. I've used their eye products in the past. This is the Strivectin SD Advanced Plus Intensive Moisturizer for wrinkles and stretch marks. Cool. Okay, and this is the sample size, so depending on how much you need, I'm excited to try that for wrinkles. I'm always trying to find something new to hide those wrinkles. And Strivectin is an excellent product. I love it a lot. Our next item is an SK2 Facial Treatment Mask. It's one of those cutout masks that you can put on and leave on for a while. And this says it looks like you leave it on for 5 to 15 minutes and discard the mask after use. So this says it will improve radiance and moisture boosting. Really cool. So a 5 to 15 minute mask. I always leave mine on longer. I don't know if that helps or not, but I feel like it helps a little bit leaving it longer. Our last product in here is our perfume sample. This is the Carolina Herrera Good Girl. I think this is the original Good Girl. There's a lot of different Good Girl perfumes in this line. This, I believe, is the original one. This has fragrances of almond, tuberose, jasmine, tonka bean, and cocoa. So this is really nice, a nice sample for perfume. That was our Macy's box. We had a lot. We had 6 samples plus the perfume plus the eye mask for $15, and we got 24 karat gold. You guys, who's gonna give you gold for $15? Macy's did for us today. Thank you guys for joining me while we went through the Macy's box. I thought it was a great one this month. I can't wait to see what we get next month. I'm gonna really look forward to using these products. I hope you enjoy yours. If you have your subscription already, if you don't, I will leave a link below in the description box. There is usually a delay when you get a subscription box from Macy's. When I ordered it 1 month I skipped the whole next month and I got it the month after that. And someone else commented on my first video that the same thing happened to them. So apparently there's a wait a lot of times. I don't know if that's every time, but there was a wait for me. So you might expect that if you're signing up for the first time. But for now, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you so much for joining me on Beth Unboxes. Bye-bye.